Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be creating this look. This is inspired by my nails. There we go. So you see they're red and green, so I decided to put that on my face. So I used this palette right here. This is, of course, from Hank and Henry, and if you don't already know, I absolutely love their products. So let's go ahead and create this look. Alright, so we're going to get started with the primer. We're going to use Georgette Kingler, and this is what we're using for the face primer. For eye primer, we are using Cinema Secrets. This is Pro Eyeshadow Base, and this is a white color. This here is really going to make the eyeshadow pop a little bit more. I'm not going to put it on too heavy, just a little bit. Okay, so now we are moving on to concealer. We are using Self Beauty. This is, and I don't see the shade, but anyways, that is what we're using. So for foundation, I'm going to use a mix of Makeup Studio and Flawless Skin Foundation, if you can see it. I'm going to use 1 pump of this one, and then I am going to use 1 pump of Makeup Forever Ultra HD, and then I'm going to blend them and use that on my face. I always put it on the back of my hand so I can control how much I'm actually putting on my face. Okay, so now we are moving on to eyebrows because right now I don't have any. I am going to use the Cream Shop Holy Brow. Alright, we are moving on to the eyeshadow. We are going to use this tie-dye palette here from Hank and Henry. If you are new to my channel, you probably don't know that I am obsessed with their products, but not sponsored by them, but totally obsessed with their products. You really need to check them out. Anyways, this is the palette of choice for today. And we are going to start off with this yellowish color right here called Pumpkin. No, that's not Pumpkin, I'm sorry, that's called Lit. Now we're going to go in with this color right here. This is MVP, and do this half of the eye. Now we're gonna darken the outer part of the eye a little bit, and we're going to use this color right here. This is Evergreen. Okay, so for the under eye or waterline eyeliner, I am going to use this right here. This is Love Craft Beauty in shade Radical. This is a very bright neon color. Okay, so we are going to do the top liner now. I am using OMFG Eyeliner Cake in shade Red Velvet. This is water activated, so I will be using a brush. And I usually like to use water like this to activate it, just because it tends to help keep bacteria and stuff from growing in it. Now we are going to add a little bit of gold. This is Anniversary Cake. This is kind of a gold eyeliner, and we're just going to outline the edge of the red. Okay, so we got this palette right here. This is Rude Cosmetics Sin of Gluttony, and this is a glitter palette, and I am going to use this glitter palette right here. It's got some stars on the edge of the eyes. Alright, for mascara we are using Thrive Cosmetics. This is the mascara right here. This is actually one of my favorite mascaras, which is why I'm using it today. Alright, now I'm going to put a light dusting of setting powder on my face. And I am going to use Beauty Bakery Flour. This is in, what is this in? Oat Translucent. Okay, so I'm going to do some light contouring, bronzing with Basic Beauty right here. And I'll show you the inside of the palette before I get started so you at least see the colors I'm working with. Okay, so for blush, I am using Bella. This is by Juvia's Place, and this is what the color looks like. Now we are using Beauty Bakery Honey and Milk palette here. Let's see if I can get it to show up. There we go. And this is a series of light colors as well. I think I am going to go in with this highlight color and then this one. Setting spray, I am going to use Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. And for lip color, I am going to use MAC, and this is Ruby Woo. You can see that right there. There is the color. Alright, so I feel like this needs a little shine, so I am going to use my Tarte gloss here. I cannot read the color, but this is what we're going to use, and we're just going to dab a little bit of that in the center of the lip. Alright, so this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I thought it was kind of fun. Is it something I would normally wear out? Absolutely not. But do I like it? Yes, I do. I think it's fun. Let me know your thoughts down below, and if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.